First I'll start with mango. Everybody loves mango and it's my favorite fruit also. And in India, because in India mango is called as the king of fruits. And in Ayurveda, it's been mentioned that if the mango is grown and ripe properly on the tree, it will soak solar energy. So it will soak sun within. So naturally, if you are eating mango as a fruit, it will awaken the sun within you, or you can say it will enhance life within you. Mango is very rich in bioflavonoids, so it's very beneficial fruit for you. If mango is unripe, let's suppose for some reason if mango is not ripe properly and if you are eating it, it will enhance Vata, Pitta, Kapha, all the three doshas. It will aggravate all these doshas. But if the mango is ripe properly and it's organic in origin and right from the tree or some mango from the farmer, it will balance the Pitta dosh and Vata dosh, and it enhances Kapha dosh. So the people who are Vata body type, for them mango is very good. For Pitta body type, mango is very good. For Kapha body type also it is good, but don't eat in excess this mango fruit. Also in Ayurveda it's been mentioned that mango is work as a tonic. The people who are very weak, or in summers if we feel a lot of tiredness and because hot sun, so many times people feel very tired. At that time if you give mango as a fruit, immediately you will have a boost of energy and you will feel very good as a just like newborn. As mango is such a beneficial if you really taste the real mango. So next fruit which we are going to talk about is pomegranate. Pomegranate is very good fruit. If you see some person, he doesn't has willingness to eat food. Sometimes these things happen with us. Even we are hungry, but we don't feel the willingness of eat food. We don't want to eat food. Yes, our body wanting it. We are hungry, but still we don't want to put anything in mouth. So these kind of things, if these are happening with you, please start eating pomegranate. Pomegranate also, if it is organically grown, it's more beneficial for you. It's much more better for health. So the quality of pomegranate is, it's in Ayurveda it is called dadam, and it's a Sanskrit name for pomegranate, and it's very helpful to enhance this willingness to eat. Many times these things happen if you take very strong antibiotics and some kind of very strong allopathy medicines if you have taken, Western medicine, modern medicine which you call. So if you have taken that, many times people feel after those medicines they don't want to eat any food. They feel like, oh, food no. Though per body needs food and they don't have this willingness to eat food. In these cases, you start eating pomegranate in the morning, empty stomach. This will open up the willingness to eat food, and slowly this hunger and this willingness of having food will come. So you can start like this. If you are not eating pomegranate, please add pomegranate in your diet. It's very helpful for you. Many people ask, like, seeds should be eaten of pomegranate or not eaten. Yes, like whole this red thing you can eat, but this is just like chew it properly. Don't just take it in, you just chew it properly. And if you don't like chewing it, you can also have pomegranate juice, but take pomegranate juice is not from this and when I'm saying juice, it is not going to market and this packed juice in canned which was packed 40 days before, a year before. These juices are never good for health. Best juice is to bring pomegranate in your home, and then if you want to have only juice, best is you eat fruit. But if you don't want to eat fruit, you put it in mixer grinder, juicer, and you take out fresh juice, and that you put in your body. Don't take these canned juices. We don't know what kind of preservatives they are using, what kind of how many days before it's been packed, and you see fruits immediately lose their nutrition value. Once you cut open the fruit, it will start losing its nutrition value. So it's better you bring fruit from the market, open it and eat it. If you don't want to eat like this, then use the juicer, and also wash fruit properly before putting it in your mouth. Most interesting point about pomegranate is it also helps to remove the toxins from the body. It's mentioned especially in Ayurveda that it is called Amapachaka, means it helps to digest the toxins. So in every way pomegranate is a very beneficial fruit. You can make use of it, but make sure, like if it is rotten somewhere, remove those small seeds. That just take the fresh and good part of pomegranate. And also, what is the best time to eat pomegranate? Pomegranate can be eaten any time in the day, but best time to eat pomegranate is in the morning. And breakfast, if you are taking pomegranate, it is very beneficial, because best time to eat fruits, which I always say, it's in the morning. So if you are eating pomegranate in the morning, it's good. Afternoons also it's good. Even at night before 6 or 5 it is good. Very late at night after 7, don't eat fruits, 7 or 8, because you know they are very cooling in potency, and everything goes in sleep mode at night, temperature goes down. So it's better you eat all the fruits during daytime.